We're going for Eden Classic. Josh and I are going to ride 36 miles. So we've already had our breakfast and Josh here is feeling cold.
A little bit.
This is my rider number 0598 and his is 0730. Excited.
Okay, here's the important bit, the safety bit that I need to run through. So today it is a leisure ride and it is not a race, okay? So therefore you must obey the highway code.
So we have set off about 1 kilometer from the start point. Slightly downhill, which I'm enjoying. Phew. So I've done about 8 miles now. Still a long way to go. Get a bit of space for we're going to crash. Wow. Look at that. Where is this?
Never gizzard.
I probably won't be able to pronounce that. Never gizzard.
Never gizzard.
Never
Fishing
gizzard.
port.
That's a fishing port. Right. Should be quite steep.
We could do little tow ropes on some of the bikes, couldn't we? And then we could pull each other up.
Yeah.
That'd be good.
Probably
wouldn't
these
it?
guys can pull us. Oh. It should be at least 12%. That was one heck of a behind. Wow. Whew. Beautiful. I hope so.
I hope there's no more than that.
I sincerely hope so.
We did it though.
We did it.
Yeehaw.
After that climb, I couldn't keep up with the group and I've decided riding alone. Oh god, I can't believe. Yeah.
How are we doing?
Yeah. Well, that uphill took my everything away. I couldn't keep up after that.
That was a bugger.
Yeah.
Really square back here.
Right way, mate.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste
Wow.